Cash App makes it simple to manage your linked debit cards for funding transactions. You can easily update card information or remove cards you no longer need. To update a debit card, start by opening Cash App and tapping your profile icon. Then navigate to linked accounts or payment methods to access your card management options. Once you select the card to update, enter the new card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You may also need to update the billing address. Cash App will then require verification through SMS or email to confirm the changes. To remove a debit card, navigate to Payment Methods in your settings, select the card you want to remove, and tap Remove Card or Unlink. You'll need to confirm this action. Remember that removing a card is permanent, so you'll need to re-add it if you want to use it again later. These streamlined card management processes reflect Cash App's commitment to improving user experience. A 2024 study showed that simplified card management led to a 35% reduction in customer support tickets related to card issues, making the process faster and more intuitive for users. Cash App may require re-verification of your debit card for enhanced security. This process typically involves small test transactions that you must confirm within 24 to 48 hours. Alternative verification through your banking app may also be available, providing users with multiple secure options to confirm their card ownership. These measures are part of Cash App's enhanced security protocols implemented in recent years to combat fraud. Financial technology analyst Sarah Chen notes that Cash App balances user-friendliness with robust fraud protection. Key security trends include biometric authentication, real-time fraud detection using artificial intelligence, and tokenization to protect card data from unauthorized access. Since 2023, Cash App has achieved an impressive 89% reduction in fraudulent card linking attempts due to these security improvements, demonstrating the effectiveness of their enhanced protection measures.